Former Union Minister and President of Assam Cha Mazdoor Sangha, Pawan Singh Ghatowar, has called for a holistic approach to revive the tea industry in Assam. Speaking at the annual General Conference of the Bharatiya Cha Parishad, Ghatowar, while dwelling upon the legacy of the industry set up by the Britishers 2 centuries ago, appealed to the stakeholders of the industry and the government to come forward and join hands for revival of the industry so that Assam tea once again rule the roost which it did once upon a time.
आप हम लोग देख रहे हैं जो प्रोड्यूसर लोग को जो दाम मिल रहा है या टी इंडस्ट्री जितना प्रॉफिट कर रहा है, यहाँ हमारे देश में 4-5 बड़े टी ट्रेडिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, जैसे टाटा ग्लोबल और लिफ्टन, हिंदुस्तान लीवर, बाक बकरी, ये लोग जितना प्रॉफिट कर रहा है सारा प्रॉफिट करते हैं ये ट्रेडर लोग, और टी इंडस्ट्री उतना प्रॉफिट नहीं कर रहा है। और इसके लिए जो चाय इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वाला वर्कर को जितना उनका मजूरी मिलना चाहिए ये बहुत कम है, और इतना कम मजूरी में ज़्यादा दिन ये वर्कर लोग टी इंडस्ट्री में अवेलेबल नहीं होगा।
Industry stalwarts who assembled for the AGM in Dibrugarh also came up with suggestions to handle the challenging situation at hand, as well as the road ahead for the Assam's labour-intensive tea industry to enhance quality production. Another tea veteran and industrialist, Manoj Jalan, called for use of modern technology and AI for the progress of Assam's tea industry.
I think the tea industry is facing a set of challenges now, and we need to deliberate how to overcome them. We have price stagnation in tea industry is one of the major issues. There are various reasons for it. One of the suggestions or one of the announcements by the government of Assam recently of coming up with AI-driven blockchain auctions, I think that's a very welcome step. That will perhaps find some solutions on better marketing of tea, adopting more modern technology for marketing of tea. So I think the future lies in that direction of getting into better technology for marketing of teas. And the recent announcement of the government of Assam in the last budget, I feel that may be moving towards a solution.
Former Tea Board of India Chairman Prabhat Bezborua called for more sympathetic approach from the centre while stressing upon quality as the driver for the tea industry for survival.
See, the price of tea, the wholesale price of tea, has really not gone up over the last decade or more. And any commodity or product where the price doesn't keep pace with inflation is doomed to have a bad, rough ride in the days ahead. So we have to analyze why prices are not going up. And one of the reasons cited is overproduction. But last year, our production decreased by 100 million kilos. Despite that, prices towards the end of the year, they crashed. So we have to look at market imperfections, and we have to look at the behavior of some of the participants in the market very closely to analyze why this happened.
The Bharatiya Cha Parishad, which is one of the oldest tea associations of Assam, today completed 80th year of its existence and also organized the annual general conference of the association, during which including former Union Minister Mr. P.S. Ghatowar, there are a lot of industry captains who spoke on the challenges and the problems being faced by the industry as of today, and the road ahead also. It was both sides, the positive aspects of the industry, the future of the industry was also discussed in detail. With camera person Pranip, this is Ripujaya Das reporting from Dibrugarh for Northeast Live.